Welcome to Numerical Wonders, where ancient numbers and sacred language open hidden doorways of insight and transformation. In today's episode, Prayer and Promise, we journey into the healing resonance of the number 418, where Moshe's prayer and Hashem's promise are revealed to be one. Moshe cried out, "Na, Rafa, na, la, please heal her." A human voice, raw, tender, urgent. It's Gematria 418. Hashem responds, Ki ani Hashem rofecha, for I am Hashem, your healer. A divine voice, eternal, steady, merciful. It's Gematria 418. Two voices, one number. One cry, one promise, already entwined. What does it mean that our longing and Hashem's promise are numerically intertwined? That the very breath of a plea is already a vessel for healing. The moment we turn to Hashem with sincere words, we align ourselves with His healing essence. Let's step inside this mystery. Let the words guide you. Let them awaken what was never truly lost. Healing is not distant. It's already seated in the words. Every syllable carries a spark, a whisper from beyond, returning to the place within you that remembers. You don't need to reach far. You only need to turn inward to the place where breath meets spirit. What if the healing has already begun? What if the ache itself is part of the restoration? Let the words ripple through you, not as something to fix, but something to feel. Let's go there now, together. Close your eyes. Let your breath settle like soft rain over still water. Inhale gently and exhale slowly. Let yourself be held by the quiet. Now bring to mind someone in need of healing. It may be someone you love. It may be yourself. Let their image rest gently before you, as if cradled in light, and whisper, Na, Rafa, na, la, please heal her. Feel the tenderness in Moshe's words, a brother's cry stripped of all pretense, a pure plea rising from the soul. Now listen inward, as if the universe responds, Ki ani Hashem rofecha, for I am Hashem, your healer. Allow the words to enter you as a promise, not only spoken, but embedded in the very structure of reality. The same breath that calls out for healing is the breath through which healing comes. 418 meets 418. Plea meets promise. Earth meets heaven. Breathe this meeting into your heart and let the healing begin. Not just in body, but in soul, in trust, in return. Remain here a moment, enveloped in the light of divine compassion, until your whole being whispers, I believe in healing because I believe in you. And now, begin to return. Bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Notice the feeling of where you are seated, the support beneath you, the air around you. Take a deeper breath, and as you exhale, let your shoulders soften. Gently roll them back, inviting ease. Place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Feel the warmth of your own presence. You are here. You are held. You are healing. When you're ready, open your eyes. Let the light you touched remain with you. A quiet glow, a sacred echo that moves with you through the day. Thank you for joining me. May the healing continue, word by word, breath by breath, until all that is broken sings again.